Today on Java, I'm here to present this beautiful and wonderful property at Vista Rosa, San Francisco, Biñan, Laguna. Townhouse model na nag-offer na lot area at 50 to 64 square meters and floor area at 117 square meters. And now, let's take a look inside this townhouse. Come on people, watch with me and let's admire the whole place within. First, I would like to introduce their parking lot na kung saan kasyang-kasya ang isang malaking SUV. And let's take a look the inside. And this is the inside of this beautiful townhouse. Come on mga konchaba. And ang unang-una bubunga sa inyo is kung gaano kalawak ang living room nito at kung anong pwede nyo mga ilagay at maisilip nyo kaagad ang kitchen nito. At dito naman sa kitchen ay sa kaliwa ko ay meron na kaagad bathroom, and yung kitchen naman ay may sarili na silang cabinet na kung saan pwedeng ilagay nyo ang mga kitchen tools. Sa dulo naman ng kitchen may makikita kayong bakanteng part na kung saan pwede nyo itong gawing laundry area. And now mga konchaba, dakuin naman natin ang second floor ng townhouse na ito. Tara! This is the second floor of this townhouse. In this place, you can make this a office 5, and the other side is you can make this a library 5. This is the second floor of this beautiful townhouse. Come on mga konchaba, let's take a look of it. Look how spacious it is mga konchaba. This is the second bedroom of this beautiful townhouse. Look mga konchaba kung gaano kalabak ang space nito at unang bubungad sa inyo pagkagising nyo is yung araw to start a good day. And after you wake up, you can go outside to this mini terrace of it. This is the third bedroom of this beautiful townhouse mga konchaba na kung saan dito yung pinakamaliit na bedroom sa lahat ng bedroom dito. And this bedroom can fit to your child or your future child. And after that mga konchaba, pagkalabas nyo ng third room, unang bubungad sa kanan nyo is yung bathroom. And this bathroom is the second bathroom of this beautiful townhouse. And after that mga konchaba, meron pa tayong third floor. Come on, let's check it. And after that mga konchaba, pagkakit nyo ng third floor, ang unang bubungad sa inyo is this spacious place kung saan pwede nyo lagyan ng sofa at TV naman sa gilid. And the last but not least, this is the wide space balcony of this beautiful townhouse na kung saan pwede ito tambayan ng iyong barkada or your family. Hi there mga Java, are you now amazed on what you can have? Imagine living with your loved ones. See what your family can have to live such a great life here in this wonderful townhouse. And you know what mga Java, you can also reserve this for a reservation fee at least 30,000 pesos, and this beautiful townhouse can be yours. So what are you waiting for? Go get it before anyone else takes it. Once again, good day mga Java. Cha-ching!